Class 7, Science, Chapter 15, Light. Class 7, Science, Chapter 15, Light. Introduction. Light is a form of energy. The natural sources of light on Earth is the sun. Light is a form of energy. The natural sources of light of energy. The natural sources of light. Introduction. Light is a form of energy. The natural mirrors are used in rear-view mirrors in cars and other vehicles. Reflectors in street lights which help in spreading light along the street. Used in supermarkets and big shops to look out for thieves and shoplifters. Images formed by a concave mirror. A mirror in which the inner hollow surface is the reflecting surface is called a concave mirror. The nature and position of the image formed by a concave mirror depends on the distance of the object from the lens. Let's understand this concept with an activity. Arrange the concave mirror, candle and the screen, that is, white sheet of paper pasted on a cardboard as shown in the figure. Move the screen till a sharp image of the flame is obtained on the screen. You will see that the image formed is real, enlarged and inverted. Now move the candle closer to the mirror. You will observe that the candle is moved closer to the mirror. The image formed on the screen becomes bigger, that is, it enlarges. Now move the candle even closer to the mirror, and at some point you will observe that the image formed on the screen has disappeared and a virtual, erect and magnified image is formed on the mirror. Hence we conclude that the image formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed close to it is virtual, erect and magnified. The image formed by a concave mirror when the object is moved away from it is real, inverted and magnified. The image formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed far away from it is real, inverted and diminished. Images formed by convex mirror. A mirror in which the outer bulging surface is the reflecting surface is called a convex mirror. The nature and position of the image formed by a convex mirror remains the same irrespective of the distance of the object from the mirror. Let's understand this concept with a simple activity. Arrange a convex mirror, candle and the screen, that is, white sheet of paper pasted on a cardboard as shown in the figure. Move the screen till a sharp image of the flame is obtained on the screen. You will see that the image formed is virtual, erect and diminished. Now try to move the candle to different positions. You will find that at any position, the image formed is always the same, that is, virtual, erect and diminished. Lenses. A lens is a curved and polished piece of glass or any other transparent surface. The lenses are transparent and light can pass through them. Lenses are used in spectacles, telescopes, microscopes, magnifying glass, etc. Common lenses are of two types, concave lenses and convex lenses. Image formed by a concave lens. A concave lens is thicker at the edges than in the middle. Concave lens diverges or spreads outwards the rays of light and is called diverging lens. The image formed by a concave lens is upright, virtual and smaller than the object. For example, the images seen through a peephole are different from normal holes because these peepholes contain concave lenses. Demagnifying glass is concave. Let's understand this with an activity. Take a concave lens and fix it on a stand and place it on the table. Place a lighted candle at a distance of 50 centimeters from the lens. Place a paper screen on the other side of the lens. Move the screen till you obtain a sharp image of the flame. You will observe that the image obtained is virtual, erect and smaller in size than the object. Now vary the distance of the candle from the lens. You will observe that irrespective of the distance of the image and the lens, the image formed by a concave lens is always the same, that is virtual, erect and smaller in size than the object. Image formed by a convex lens. A convex lens is thicker in the middle than at the edges. A convex lens converges or bends inwards the rays of light falling on it and is called converging lens. The image formed when the object is placed close to a convex lens is virtual, erect, and magnified. Virtual images cannot be caught on a screen. Images that are caught on a screen are called real images. When the object is placed at a distance from a convex lens, the image formed is real, inverted, and diminished. Example, magnifying glass is a convex lens. Let's understand this with an activity. Arrange the convex lens, a lighted candle, and a screen as shown in the figure. Move the screen till you obtain a sharp image of the flame. You will observe that the image formed when the candle is placed close to a convex lens is virtual, erect, and magnified. Now move the candle away from the lens. You will observe that when the object is placed at a distance from a convex lens, the image formed is real, inverted, and diminished. Dispersion of light. White light is composed of many colors. We believe that light is white because it appears white to us. White light is composed of many colors. When these colors combine, they appear white. One way of showing that white light is composed of many colors is to make a white light pass through a prism. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits up the light into its constituent colors. You must have seen a rainbow either before or after rain, especially when the sun is partially peeping out of the clouds. A big arc of a band of 7 colors is formed in the direction opposite to the location of the sun. These colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These colors are represented by a word Vibgyor. This property in which light splits into 7 colors is called dispersion of light.